Hi guys, and welcome to today's Qigong practice. Today's video is only 10 minutes long and is designed to shake off sleep and give you that natural boost of energy that we all need in the morning. Try this 10-minute Qigong routine with me and begin your day with ease and joy. Let's begin.
Stand up straight and relax your whole body. Take a nice deep inhale through the nose and raise your hands up. Exhale out through the mouth. Repeat this 6 times. As you inhale, stand a little taller, opening the chest and the ribcage. As you exhale, soften your knees and relax down. One more time, breathe in and out. Now breathe in and come up on your toes, reach up. Breathe out, bend your knees and sink down. Repeat this 6 times. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Next, we move on to a simple hip rotation. Repeat this 8 times clockwise and then do another 8 in the opposite direction. Your focus here will be primarily on your hip joints. Keep your knees straight and the back nice and relaxed. This exercise promotes a healthy blood circulation in the hip area, as well as helps to increase their flexibility. When you're finished, slowly come back to center. The next exercise is good for the neck and shoulders. Raise your hands up through the sides. Take a deep inhale through the nose and let your elbows drop behind the head. Then exhale through the mouth and lean forward. Turn your head to the side and look at your right hand. Raise up again and breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale again, then exhale down. This time, turn your neck to the other side. Look at your left hand. Breathe in. Breathe out. Repeat this 6 times, 3 on each side. One more time. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. Slowly bring the hands down and place them on the lower back. Begin rotating your waist clockwise 8 times, then change the direction. This exercise is good for the lower back and kidney health. gently massage the back muscles with your hands. And then with the back of your hand, do a few circle movements. Next, raise your hands up, lean back, bend your knees and open your arms and chest towards the sky. Then slowly lean forward and swing the hands out, palms facing the sky. Be mindful of your own body. Don't go too far and avoid any discomfort. Repeat this 6 times. Inhale up, exhale down. The last one here, breathe in, breathe out. When you're finished, relax the hands by the sides. The next movement is called turn around and look at the moon. Inhale and slowly turn your torso to the left. Release and come back to center. Inhale and turn to the other side. Exhale out. Repeat this 6 times. This exercise helps to open and strengthen the back, makes it more supple. Breathe in and turn. Breathe out, relax. The next movement is called White Crane Leaves the Nest. Take a nice deep inhale and raise both hands above the head. Exhale, bend your knees and calm down, hands hugging the knees. Stand back up again and inhale. Exhale, go down. Repeat this 6 times. This exercise opens the chest and ribcage, enhances the breathing, hence giving you that natural boost of energy that we all need for the day. It also engages the whole body, increasing a healthy blood flow down the back and into the legs. When you're finished, relax the hands by the side. The last exercise is a Qigong tapping technique. Gently tap your face with your fingers. Then come to the head. Slowly come to the chest. Move on to the ribcage. Gently tap there for a few seconds. Next, move on to the lower back and the kidney area. Tap the glutes, then go down tapping the sides of the legs. Do that 3 times. And then the inside of the leg and go up. Also 3 times. When you're done, take a deep inhale through the nose, then exhale through the mouth. Release the hands down in the center of the body. Take a moment to notice how your body feels.
Thanks for watching. I hope you feel better and see you next time.